Ngayon, gusto ko sabihin sa'yo ang nararamdaman kong ito, na ikaw ang nilalaman ng aking puso. Baliw na baliw ako sa'yo, aking sinta, o meridiling trata. Dam-da-da-dam-dam-da, gusto na gusto kita. Baliw na baliw ako sa'yo, aking sinta, o meridiling trata. Dam-dam-dam, masasabi ko sa'yo, mahal na mahal kita. Dam-dam-dam-dam, masasabi ko sa'yo, mahal na mahal kita.
May, nasaan ka na?
Napatay na! Ningwang, uy!
Hindi pala, nabaliw na.
Nasa lang yun.
Maganda. Totoo.
Char!
Yung kanta nga, maganda.
Ang kanta lang.
Maganda naman. Bakit ka naiiyak?
Hindi ko alam.
Thank you, Maymay.
Salamat po for appreciate. I really appreciate it. Nakakatawa sa puso. Bye.
Sige na. Songwriter.
Susunod,
Maymay, where's your song Effler?
Oh my God! Uy, bala na, uy! Bala, uy!
pero ang kanilang masayang task at samahan tila masusubok sa pag-alis ni Marco. Dito lang yan sa PBB Lucky Season 7, ang mga kwento ng teen housemate.
Kasi gusto niya ipatapos yung kanta ko. Kaya gagawin ko na.
Nung
Na.
nakita kita, napangiti mo na.
Haba, uy!
Sinanta ko lang sa'yo pa, alam mo.
Ang baliw ko sa'yo.
Baliw ko sa'yo.
Aking sinta, meron tata.
You wrote your own song. You accomplished that. It's a big step.
It's a blessing.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng araw, kapansin-pansin na hindi maitago ni Edward ang kalungkutan.
I was thinking earlier when I was on the sofa, Marco is also nominated now. I'll be sad if Kisses or Vibrate gets evicted too, but Marco especially, Right now he's the closest person to me in this house.
Kaya mo yan, Edward.
Always, Kuya. It's just a phase. As soon as we get another task, it'll be over. Poof.
Okay. Bibigyan kita ng task.
Alright?
I want you to learn my song.
Man, napatay na. Kuya, you're gonna make me sing?
Yes.
Oh, Kuya, no, that's gonna make me feel worse. Come on. Anything else, please.
No. I'm sure you're gonna like it. You can do it.
Oh, Kuya. When do I have to learn it by?
Tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow.
But you have to start now.
Alright, will do.
Paglabas ng confession room, tinungo agad ni Edward si Maymay.
Maymay, where's your song Effler?
Oh my God! Ay, baliw. Kuya, bala na, uy! Bala, uy! I love you.
Nung nakita kita.
Why? You don't trust me?
Na ang puso ko. The problem is that I hate sinabi.
No.
Edward, I'm gonna teach you.
I said to you that you have a boy.
Nakita kita.
You ba? Edward, you live in yourself. Don't have
I believe in myself, I just don't like it.
No, you don't have confidence.
Sumuka.
If you believe in yourself, that you like it. Yeah! Masaya ako na may pakita niya yung other side niya na marunong siyang magkumanta.
Ilang saglit pa,
Ginago.
I don't know the lyrics.
Komportable naman akong makasama siya. Tsaka sanay naman ako kuya, siya palagi yung partner ko. Kasi baliw siya eh.
First sentence.
Nung nakita kita.
I can't sing that high though.
Nung nakita kita.
Nung nakita kita.
Nung nakita kita. See, I can't go higher than that.
I
No?
think... Oh, yeah.
That's the problem.
It's okay. It's okay. Maybe you should understand the lyrics first.
Yeah, when I first saw you, you made me smile and you said that you liked me.
Too.
Yeah.
Once you understand the lyrics, it's definitely easier to sing because you understand what you're saying. Once I got past the fact that I had to sing, it was alright learning it.